Welcome to Bilas Knowledge Hub. This videos is regarding our YouTube channel. Our channel agenda: to provide basic requirement of industry to personal, to enhance the technical capability of professionals, to enhance the individual personal skills, to provide the relevant technically skilled personnel to industries, to provide free technical guidance for everyone. Our goals: it is our goal to create such a platform where everyone can learn all technical aspects under one roof. Our vision: we are here to make things more easy for you. Innovative, new technical methods. Creative, your imagination or creation. 3 important steps to reach US. 1. Join Bilas Veteran Membership Scheme. To easy access the online course and updates. 2. Subscribe our channel to view different types of industrial technical requirement demonstration videos. 3. Join online training sessions to improve technical skill and competency. Benefits of our channel: awesome preparation for openings. Add more value in technical skill. Gain the knowledge in different verticals. On-time training and demonstration session. Endless support for technical queries. Special feature of our channel: weekly 2 demonstration videos on our YouTube channel. Videos will be in 2 language, Hindi, English, for better understanding. We will provide the technical content as per your requirement. Our unique services: easy topic access. You can comment on our YouTube channel for various training sessions and demonstrations videos. Graphics and videos. We will provide you all the technical demonstration in depth through online presentation or through videos. 24/7 on live support. We are providing 24/7 live support for members as well as trainee personnel. Solution for technical aspects. We are also having question and answer session for your queries. There you can ask any technical and industrial related questions. You can reach us on our official social media, as mentioned in description. Meet our MD, Mr. Kishore Dahal. Bilas Veteran established on December 2020 by Mr. Kishore Dahal. He has overall experience of 15 years in the field of calibration, utilities and facility validation, air gases, HVAC, pure steam, GXP computerized systems validation and Excel spreadsheet validation. Education: electronics and electrical engineering. Skilled: naval consultancy, lab setup, QMS development and handling of data integrity. Subject matter expert for calibration, HVAC, pure steam, air, gases, CSV, PLC and thermal validations. He is having membership with as mentioned below. Member of Quality Council of India, membership number NB/RVS/175621. ISPE GAMP India ID 1,042,312. Asia Pacific Accreditation Cooperation, APAC, Mr. 001. International Laboratory Accreditation Cooperation, ILAC. Thank you for watching our